The entirety of the downstairs filled with all types of nasty things.
So welcome back again to another student accommodation interview, and I'm here with
Billy.
Best and worst experiences in your student accommodation.
Worst experience, first year, toilet flooded, the entirety of the downstairs filled with all types of nasty things. Best experience, probably just getting drunk with your friends. That was probably the best experience.
With the whole toilet flooded and everything.
Yeah.
How did you manage to fix the whole thing basically?
Well, try to wait for the maintenance people to come, and
did they reply to you fast enough?
No, they were not. It was,
How long did it take?
4 or 5 days. It was bad. It was bad.